everyone, I'm Erin Rosales. I'd like to talk to you a little bit with regard to our class, Rolling with the Punches. Rolling with the Punches is a class that is, the title I should probably explain a little bit. It comes from a term from the boxing world, where evidently, and I don't know a whole lot about boxing, but evidently if you roll with the punch, you sustain less damage, less hurt, less injury as one of the competitors in boxing. So what on earth does that have to do with interpreting in healthcare? Well, for those of you who have been in the field for a while in interpreting in healthcare, you know that there are different situations or scenarios where maybe you kind of feel like a punching bag. Maybe because people are not familiar with the role boundaries for interpreters, or they're expecting certain things from you that are not appropriate, or you perhaps even become the target of hostile or inappropriate behavior or other actions of the other participants that kind of catch you off guard. So that's one aspect of rolling with the punches in healthcare. There's other aspects as well, with just acknowledging that we are in a healthcare environment where a lot of different things are around that could potentially be harmful to your health and well-being. Stretching that a little bit farther, even when we're off the clock and at home on a weekend, we're still part of that interpreter community, and so there might be some challenges with regard to our maintaining role boundaries and keeping ourselves safe and well when we live and work in the same community. So the Rolling with the Punches class is geared towards helping an interpreter develop the skills and having the strategies to manage through different and challenging situations so that we can take care of ourselves and be safe and well in the environments in which we are interpreting. So join us for the Rolling with the Punches class to learn more and develop more strategies, and also learn from other interpreter colleagues that we have from around the country. So if you'd like to check out more about the class or more about connecting cultures, education, opportunities, please feel free to check out the description below and learn more information. Rolling with the punches. Dun, dun. All right, no, that's not.